The ZONESUN ZS-FM750F is a semi-automatic auger powder filling machine designed for precise dosing of dry powders such as spices, coffee, protein powder, and talcum powder. It uses a servo-driven auger system for volumetric filling and can integrate a weighing feedback system to achieve accurate weight-based filling regardless of powder density variations. Equipped with a 50L hopper, PLC touchscreen control, and foot pedal operation, it ensures flexible and efficient production. Optional vacuum dust extraction and screw feeding systems improve cleanliness and efficiency, while interchangeable augers allow filling ranges from 5G to 5000G.